Alright, what is up, gang? Welcome back to another video. This is Slight Work, and I am here to let you know the update on that girl, Dalylah. So, we went in, did a diagnosis, found a few things, and what happened was, I wiped the lobe on the cam. So, I told him, I said, well, let's just snatch the motor out. And we're gonna go through it again to make sure that nothing else failed. And we're gonna put it back together. That's just where I am with it right now, man. It's not a pretty thing, whatever, but I am here at the shop, Done Right Auto. Done Right Auto, man. The communication is, bro, you wouldn't believe the type of communication and service that I'm getting here, man. It's unreal. It's unreal. Done Right Auto. All right. So, sorry about that. All right. So, the motor's being pulled right now. So I'm finna go in here and let you see what exactly is going on. But that's where I am, that's what I have. So let's put the coffee down. She's about to come out of there. Lift and fail, everything, man. It's a wreck. It's a wreck. It just wasn't done right. That's it. But it's gonna be done right this time. At done right. At done right. So yeah, man, that's some of the updates, but I'm gonna be getting back with y'all in just a few. All right, a little more progress coming. Yeah.
If you gotta take the balancer off, take the balancer off. Just take it off. Okay, just relax. Let me get it out. It's already got one bolt in here that's stripped already. Remember I said, good advice, listen to it.
She's coming out of there. So let's see what the damage is on it, if any. You know? Yep.
We have to look this stuff over. I don't know what this is. That's what this is for, taking off that thing. Alright, get that brass thing I had just earlier. Get a hammer.
Okay, so the motor has been broken down. Motor's broken down, turned over, got the oil pan off, and finna check these cam bearings and stuff like that. I think I'm gonna go ahead and just put some performance ones in. I didn't know they sold performance cam bearings, but it makes sense, you know. So performance cams, you know. But yeah, that's what we're finna do right now and see what goes on with that, whatever. But hopefully it's good news. Hopefully it's good news. So yeah, I'll be in touch with y'all in just a sec. Alright, so the cam bearings were bad. Cam bearings bad in it. And so I just total breakdown, total rebuild to my machine working off. That's where I am with her. So be looking for updates on that. So Until next time, that's slight work, and I'm out.